Hello, my dear student. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School situated Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Student, today we are going to start a new chapter which is given in your new James English Reader book. So for that you all take out your new James English Reader book and open chapter 12. Student, firstly tell me what's the title of this chapter? It is chapter number 12 and the title of this chapter is How Rabbit Became Real. Okay students, how rabbit became real. So we have to learn, in this story we have to learn that it is the story of a child's toy who becomes real. And what was that? That was a rabbit. Okay, so here are introduction for you. So rabbit is a toy. In this story there is a rabbit and rabbit is a toy rabbit made of sawdust and cloth, shy and lonely, ignored by the smarter and newer toys. He lies forgotten in boy's toy cupboard. In his heart he dreams of becoming real. One day boy finds him and soon their love and friendship grows and rabbit learns exactly how a toy become real. Read this extract from the beloved American classic The Velveteen Rabbit to find out how. Okay, so student, when we read this chapter we have to learn about a rabbit story, okay, who wants to be real. So let's start the reading of this chapter and I'm also explaining this story. Okay, so firstly I'm going to read and after that I will explain. Okay, so first there is for a long time he lived in the toy cupboard and no one paid much attention to him. As you see, there is many toys. So a rabbit lived in a toy cupboard and no one paid much attention to him. He was naturally shy and because he was only made of velveteen, some of the other more expensive toys ignored him. The mechanical toys looked down upon everyone else. They were full of modern ideas and pretended they were real. The motherboard would not even bother to speak to him. Even Timothy the wooden lion that let Rabbit know that he was too important to be his friend. Between them, all the poor little rabbit felt very insignificant. The only person who was kind to him at all was the rocking horse. In this story, as you see, there is a rabbit and it is very upset being a toy because other expensive toys had no much attention paid to him. So that's why he became very upset and he thought that no one being attention because he was made by velveteen. So only there in a cupboard there is only rocking horse who wants to be friend with the rabbit. Okay, the rocking horse lived longer in the nursery than any of the others. In all the toys there is a one rocking horse who was lived longer in the nursery than any of others. He was so old that his brown coat was black in patches and most of the hairs in his tail had been pulled out to string bead necklace. He was wise, for he had seen many toys come and go. The rocking horse seen many toys come and go and he knew that they were only toys and would never turn into anything else. So that time the rabbit asked to rocking horse that what is real? What is real? Asked rabbit. One day, the rabbit asked to the rocking horse that what is real. When they were lying side by side, does it mean having things that buzz inside you and a stick out handle? Real isn't how you are mad, said the rocking horse when rabbit asking question to rocking horse that what is real. So that time rocking horse replied that real isn't how you are mad, said the rocking horse. It's a thing that happens to you when a child loves you for a long time, not just to play with, but really loves you. Then you become real. The rocking horse telling to the rabbit that it is not important that how you are mad. It is a thing that happen to you when a child loves you for a long time, not just to play with, but really loves you. Then you become real. So again, rabbit asks, "Does it hurt?" So rocking horse said, "Sometimes." For he was always truthful. Does it happen all at once? Rabbit asked, or beat by beat? So rocking horse said, "It doesn't happen all at once," said the rocking horse. You became. It takes a long time. That's why it doesn't happen often to toys who break easily or have sharp edges or who have to be carefully kept. Generally, by the time you are real, most of your hairs has been lopped off and your eyes drop out and you get very shabby. But these things don't matter at all because once you are real, you can't be ugly except to people who don't understand. Okay? These are the conversation between rocking horse and rabbit who wants to be real. So that's why the rabbit asks to the rocking horse that what is real. So that time rocking horse telling to the rabbit that isn't matter that how would you mad isn't related to the love of the person. Okay, so now there is a next age when the rocking horse telling him all the condition of being real. So that time he said, "I suppose you are real," said the rabbit. The rocking horse smiled. "Boy's uncle loved me and that made me real," he said. "That was many years ago, but when you are real, you can't become unreal again. It lasts forever." The rabbit tried. He longed to become real, to know what it felt like, and yet the idea of growing shabby and losing his eyes and whisker was rather sad. He wished that he couldn't become real without these uncomfortable things happening to him. Okay, students? So now we have to learn that the velveteen rabbit is cool with its thought. Most of the toys in the nursery don't talk to him, but the wise old skin horse tells him about what it's like to be real. See, when a child loves you for a really long time and play with you and wears you out, then you become real. The rabbit's not too sure about the whole getting worn out part, but he would really like to be real someday. Okay, student, so that's it for today. In today's class, I'm only explaining this paragraph. Okay, and now remaining parts I will explain in my next video. Okay, students, so we have to learn the next remaining part in my next video. So till then you have to learn this all the exercises one by one and read the story. I hope you all like this story. Okay, student, so it's the first part and I will explain this all the exercises, this all the paragraph in my next video. Okay, students, so till then Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, thank you.